Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.4 Optional Exercise. Question number 4. The houses of a row are numbered consequently from 1 to 49. Show that there is a value x. So in between there is a value x, not in the between but somewhere in between we have a value x such that the number of houses preceding the house number x is equal to the number of houses following it. That means we are having houses from 1 to 49. Now this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, like that it goes on. There is one number house called x. We don't know the number. It can be 35, it can be 36, it can be 40, it can be 45, it can be any number. The houses before this, the addition of this, the sum of the number houses preceding means before this, preceding the number is equal to the sum of the houses after this. So if we take this to be 31, what is the preceding house will be? It will be 30, right? So that means if this is x, the preceding number will be 1 less than this. So it will be x minus 1. As it is 30, before house will be 31, before house will be 30. That is 1 less than this number. If it is x, it will be 1 less than this. Then that is x minus 1. The next house will be 32. That is 1 plus than this. So they have told us that x 1 to x minus 1 and this x plus 1 to 49 houses are in equal value when the sum is added. This sum is equal to this sum. Now we know SN formula. SN formula can be used only when the number from the first term, we can't take SN formula in between numbers. We need to take the number from the first. So if I take this number is equal to this number, that is sum of the house preceding is equal to the sum of preceding x is equal to the sum of succeeding x. That is after x, I am taking the statement to be preceding x, sum of the preceding x is equal to the sum of the succeeding x. Now we can take this SN formula because this is from the first. So I can take S instead of N, we have till here. So it is x minus 1 is equal to, so this sum is equal to sum of this. Now we can't take S49 for writing because S49 means it is from the first number to the 49th number. We can't take this in between value as S49, but we want this sum, right? For that I am going to take S49. S49 means from first to till 49. In that I am going to minus the sum of till x value. If I take fully and if I subtract this sum, I will get the balance one. So remember that taking S49, I will get the full sum. In that I am subtracting till x. Sx means if I subtract till here, if I remove from here, I will get the balance thing. So remember this equation, we are taking x minus 1 is equal to this sum is equal to this sum. So we can't take it in between. So I am taking it fully, subtracting till Sx, till the sum of this x. Now to solve it easy, bring Sx to the side. Here it comes as x minus 1 minus will come as plus, Sx is equal to S49. Now we know the value from the starting. This is the value of n, Sn value. Here you see Sn value is same value as the number itself. Here this is, if I take S4, the number of term is S4. Now you see, I am going to take the formula, Sn formula to be n by 2 into a plus l. The last term will be the term n itself. Here for S4, the last term is 4. For S3, the last term will be 3. So the last term will be the same number. For S49, the last term will be the 49. So n is also 49. Here last number is also 49. So for this I can write n by 2 means instead of n we have x minus 1 by 2 into a plus l means a plus, this will be the last term, so x minus 1. So this you need to remember. Here a is nothing but a is 1 plus. Now for x, same way, x by 2 into a plus L, as I said before, the n will be the x because it is a natural number, so n will be your x value. Here n by 2 means 49 by 2 into a plus L means 1 plus 49. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here x minus 1 into x by 2, same way as the denominator is same, I am going just writing it x into 1 plus x. I am just writing, I am not multiplying, I am just writing, taking the denominator to be common. Here it becomes 49 by 2 into 50. Here 2 gets cancelled because it is the same in the denominator. In the denominator, if the numbers are same, we can directly cancel it. Now multiply x inside. The same way, multiply the common x inside, it becomes x square minus x plus x square. Now plus x minus x get cancelled. Here it becomes 2x square equal to 49 into 50, bringing 2 to the denominator, or you can directly cancel it. The numerator we can cancel. As the denominator cancel when it is equal to, the same way we can cancel the numerator also. We can cancel this. If you don't understand, just bring denominator side and get cancel. Here it becomes x square is equal to 49 into 25. Don't multiply. We are going to take root. If 2 the square goes to the side, it becomes root. So root 49 into 25. We know 49, root 49 is 7 because 7 sevens are 49. The same way here 5 5s are 25. So my x is equal to 35. They have asked for the x. They find the value of x. We have found the value of x to be 35. That's all with the sum. Thank you.